If you are a French-speaking person watching this video, you are lucky because in this video, I'm showing you something very important in the educational field that recently happened in Burkina Faso. This is the very first time ever Burkina Faso has decided to train all its teachers. The overall budget allotted to the training was over 3.4 billion CFA francs, that's $6.1 million for secondary school teachers only. However, since all the country's teachers could not gather together in the same place, the same training happened in each of the 45 provinces across the country. As you watch this video, you will definitely agree with me that it was worth it. So stick around to the end. Hello everyone, this is Dominique Bazié. Welcome back to Teach Different, a channel where we explore new ways to improve English teaching. Today I want to share with you an exciting event that took place right here in the province of Yoba. For 4 days, teachers from across the province, regardless of their disciplines, came together as one to receive specialized training on something that's transforming education around the world, the Competency-Based approach, or CBA. The topic of this training was teaching and learning according to the CBA. This event was significant because for many of us teachers, the CBA is the future of teaching. Over the course of 4 days, teachers had the chance to deeply dive into this innovative approach, which puts students' real-life skills and problem-solving abilities at the heart of the learning process. The atmosphere was electric. Teachers were eager to learn new strategies, exchange ideas, and find ways to make their lessons more effective and engaging for their students. The plenary sessions lasted for a day and a half, and then small groups were formed for a workshop. Every group was assigned a specific topic such as write a learning situation, suggest a situation of integration, design a lesson plan according to the CBA, etc. Group members had to discuss and come back with concrete answers. After every group presentation, participants were encouraged to make corrections or suggest amendments in order to improve the contents that were presented. Why is the CBA so important for us teachers? Well, unlike traditional methods where students often just memorize vocabulary and grammar rules, the CBA focuses on what students can do with the language. It emphasizes the ability to use English in real-life situations, whether it is writing, speaking, or problem-solving. We learned how to design lessons that encourage critical thinking and communication, pushing students to engage with the material in a way that's meaningful and practical for their lives outside the classroom. This training was an amazing opportunity for all of us to rethink how we teach English and to ensure our students are prepared for the challenges they'll face in the real world. Teachers said they are very excited to start applying these strategies in their classroom. And I encourage all of you to explore more about the competency-based approach.
I learned many things that can help me now improve what I'm doing in classes. We learned how to design a lesson plan in CBA context, how to help our pupils integrate and what they have are resources, internal or external resources, in order to, let's say, to implement real life situations. When they face, they are in a real life situation, what they learned in the classroom should be applied to be useful for them. So we have to design right now lessons that are useful for students. Everything we learned is to improve our daily working, our daily situations. And this is not only good for me, this is also good for my pupils, my students, who are waiting for us in a short while, I can say.
The people should be at the center of the learning process. Instead of coming and giving knowledge to the people, we are now trained to make the people themselves collect all the necessary resources, such as internal resources and external resources, to make the lesson effective, which is going to allow them to face some real life situations. The time devoted to the training session is something that we have never experienced before, and we have only 4 days to get trained. It's not sufficient. So for the next time, we are asking the authorities, if it is not possible to give a long time at the same time, they can divide it into different sections, 4-day training, and then during the year, even at least 3 times like this. I know that it will be effective.
As a teacher in English and French, really we have many problems in the two languages, and this training helped me learn more in English according to the theories, the method, techniques, and how to teach. Listening comprehension, reading comprehension, and grammar vocabulary lesson in the different classes. Talking about the methodology, really I learned, but I need to improve it.
De façon générale, je peux dire que la formation s'est bien passée et l'approche donc en elle-même est une bonne approche, et je crois que ça va permettre d'améliorer encore l'enseignement de nos apprentissages dans nos différentes classes à travers tout le pays. Vu l'importance donc de ce module-là, on aurait pu dégager plus de temps. C'est-à-dire que la durée, on aurait pu amener ça, étaler la formation sur peut-être 10 jours, je pense. Ça aurait permis effectivement d'aborder en tout cas en détail les différents aspects donc, de cette nouvelle approche-là.
If you are an educator, what are some of the challenges you face in implementing the CBA? Leave a comment below and let's start a conversation. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep teaching different.
As we were dealing with competencies, so I'm here to show you one of mine. You understand?
Are you ready for the development of